So I recently experienced a very bad cake fall that brought me to tears. Like, after decorating a very beautiful piece for a birthday celebration, and on delivery, not just on delivery, on getting close to the venue, I had a cake fall that broke me to pieces. Let you watch it.
Just see what they did. I don't even know. I just so do for this box and they do for. I don't even know. I don't know.
Thank goodness I still had 24 hours before the main event, so I had to just reconstruct the cake and deliver again. So watch me transform this cake from a damaged look to a finished and beautiful, rather should I say perfect look. And if you're joining me for the first time, you are welcome to my channel.
Cake on
I started off by taking out all the decorations, the fondant, the chocolate ganache coatings. I took everything completely off, and then I trimmed the sides of the cake. Afterwards, I proceeded to produce a new batch of chocolate ganache and of course a new batch of fondant. I went on ahead to crumb coat the cake with chocolate ganache. I'm so sure that this is one of the things that prevented the cake from being completely destroyed, because the way it was handled was not funny at all. So if you're looking for a chocolate ganache recipe, or you really want to learn how to do it, I've got a video in my timeline. Do well to watch it, or I'll leave the link somewhere in the video. And please do not forget to say thank you. I did the first coating and I did the second coating because I wanted my fondant to come out smooth. And you know that chocolate ganache is one of the things that helps you, besides every other coating as well, that gives you a good finishing with your fondant. I smoothened out my fondant, then I proceeded to wrapping it around the already covered cake. I was able to get a perfect finishing. I did not do a paneling method in this to get the sharp edge, but I did another method which I'm going to be showing you as well, and I would love you to watch to the very end to see the way I was able to get my sharp edges on this video. Meanwhile, did you see the way I was able to merge the two ends of the cake, the two ends of the fondant, together with ease, just using a knife, just a knife. You can do well to watch these on a slow motion in order for you to understand and clearly know how or learn how to do it. It is very easy. Look at the magic, all joined together, smoothing it out, and nobody would notice that there was a joining. Use your fondant smoother to smoothen out the cake. Then I cut out the excess at the bottom, and then I proceeded to form my sharp edge. Watch and learn how I do this.
From the oven to your heart, everybody's a work of art, made with love, made with care. Sweet little moments, sweet, oh share. Cake on bakes, we taste the love freshly made, sent from above. Every slice, every smile, happiness that stays a while. Sweet delight, turning moments into bites. Love is baked in everything. Cake on bakes. Cake on bakes.
I just hope you were able to learn something from this video, especially the way to get your sharp edges. I've done the paneling video method, I think, in one of my shorts. Do well to watch it and also learn, and decide the method that suits you. and work with it. So I went on to add the other finishing decorations on the cake, and afterwards the cake came out beautiful, and it was delivered in safety this time around. No hassles, no issues, no disruptions, no destructions, no cracks. I mean, it was delivered whole. And just wait and watch to the end of this video to see the beautiful piece we made out of a destroyed cake. If you actually watched up to this, I'm sure you like this video. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. We have so many tutorials on this channel that will help you in your baking journey. It is a lovely thing to have you around. Thank you for watching to this extent. Until I come your way again with another beautiful video, please stay tuned, keep baking, keep watching this channel with more updates on baking, and feel free to ask any question you feel you want in the comments. Bye for now.